Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aries. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies, Aries. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, that reading may answer some doubts or clear some confusions you may have in your circumstances. So you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, Aries, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. I'll be sharing her link in the description. You can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have Ten of Swords in reverse, High Priestess in reverse and Queen of Pentacles in reverse. So maybe in your circumstances today, it may be in your work or it may be in your relationship. You are passionate about something. It may be about some choices in your career, the way you feel inspired and cheerful to pursue that. Maybe it may be your second career path, something you are very much interested in. It may be some kind of an art like singing or painting, something you are choosing as a second career today, Aries, and you want to pursue that. You are feeling so happy to do it, feeling so inspired and cheerful about it. But you need to take one step at a time. Maybe you do not know everything that involves this new choice you are making. So you need to be really focused and you need a lot of attention to avoid difficulties today, Aries. So that may be your energy in your career or it may be in your relationship. So you need a lot of thought. You need to give this relationship a lot of thought. Maybe you see this person as someone kind, compassionate, loving and caring. But maybe they may have something deep down. They may have something in their hearts that they are not telling you. So you should not jump into some conclusion or make a decision right away, because you know this person. With these cards, I feel that you know them only for a short time now. Maybe you may have a great attraction towards this person, you love them, but this is not the time yet to jump into some kind of a conclusion, maybe thinking of marriage or commitment. But Aries, whatever you feel or whatever difficulties you have today, maybe there is going to be a break coming in this relationship, something that is going to make things more peaceful, make things more make your circumstances more balanced, and you are going to see it as a break. Some kind of a breakthrough is coming for you. It is going to be helping you in a very positive way. So it is going to bring you both close together. Maybe whatever this person is, maybe they are not telling you something, maybe whatever it is today, something is bringing you close, something is breaking the ice between you both, and you are going to feel so happy, and even this person is going to feel so happy to be with you, because you both will share a beautiful understanding. So some kind of clarity is reaching you today, Aries. So we will see what is the card for your relationship. It's Seven of Wands in reverse. So though you are facing a lot of stressful circumstances, you are quite anxious about something maybe, but chances are things will resolve whatever problems you face in your circumstances. There is some kind of an opportunity, or maybe you are taking a break, maybe spending time with each other, and you will find that understanding what you need to make this relationship work. So some good changes are what I see for you all, Aries. There may be troubles, but it is going to change. Things are going to resolve today. So let us see what is the card for your career circumstances. So we have one card here, and it is Page of Cups in reverse. So in your work circumstances, you need to be very careful. There may be a lot of obstacles you need to overcome. There may be some delays, suspensions, and you may not see certain things with clarity. So you need to wait. If you are making some important decisions today in your work, you need to wait for the right time. So that is the energy here. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds. Open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. So we will see what is the card for those who chose this card. It is a Crystal Spirits card, and the crystal for y'all today is amethyst, and the message with this crystal. So in your circumstances, maybe you are quite comfortable the way things are in this connection, way circumstances are going. But this crystal reminds you to see that you may have some exciting possibilities of something better in this relationship. So when you are with this person, you feel really comfortable and happy about the way things are going. Maybe just because you are used to it, you don't want to change it. But if you change the way you are in this relationship, you are going to feel much more happy if you give up your old ways of interaction or your actions, change in your actions. That is going to bring a major change in this relationship. So even smaller things like saying thank you or I love you is going to make a difference today, make a huge difference, and it is going to be the first step towards healing. So whatever difficulties in your circumstances you may have, you are going to walk that path of healing. And just like you want to listen to this person, you want this person to listen to you when you say something. So it may be something they are quite uncomfortable about, but you are going to say that. Just the same way, when they say something, you will feel defensive. So this may be the time you need to rethink about your situation, rethink about the way you are in this relationship, and this is the time for rediscovery, calling you to deepen the trust and intimacy you have with this person. So you need not feel shy, you just have to go forward, march on, take all their whatever complaints or whatever regrets they have in a positive mindset and change it and build more trust and build more intimacy in this relationship. That is the energy here with this crystal. And if we meditate with this crystal, it is simply going to open our minds, release all the stress we have, and release all that expectation we have in our life, expectations of what we should be doing instead of just enjoying what is there with us already. And this crystal helps us to connect with the spirit and increase our intuitive abilities. So that is the energy with this crystal. So that is the energy with this card for you all, for those who chose this card. So let us see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, it is brother and sister. Transformation. Such a beautiful card here. So in your circumstances today, maybe you are not listening to someone's warnings, or someone is trying to tell you something. And this card is about the energy is about finding the balance. So you may want certain things, but when you obtain it, what will be the result? Are you going to enjoy it? Are you truly happy for what you have achieved? So trying to find the balance between what you want and what is the reality. And you are being warned about something. Maybe someone close to you is telling you to avoid certain things, but you are not listening to them. That may be the reason for the consequences or for the circumstances you are facing today. So you need to be really balanced, have that balanced mindset that is going to help you today. And you may have people you need to take care of, or there are people taking care of you. So when they are advising you certain things, you must listen to them. And this card also speaks about the close relationship we share with friends and family members, and trying to understand the difference between what you want and the things that will harm you. So you must understand that, and you must wish accordingly. So the things that you wish may hurt you, so you must not wish that. That is the reason people are advising you against it. So if that is the circumstance today, you must listen to this advice. So that is the energy here with this card, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.